Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to switch your cell phone plan to Mint Mobile so you can start saving more on your monthly phone bill. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before making the switch, ensure that your current phone is compatible with Mint Mobile. You can visit Mint Mobile's website and use their compatibility checker by entering your phone's IMEI number. If your phone is not compatible, you may need to purchase a new one. Step 2. Choose your plan. Mint Mobile offers a variety of plans to fit your needs, including options for talk, text, and data. Visit their website to review available plans and select the one that best suits your usage. Mint Mobile often provides discounts for purchasing multi-month plans, so keep an eye out for those savings. Step 3. Prepare your current account. To avoid any service interruptions, you must ensure that your current cell phone account is active until your new Mint Mobile plan is activated. This means you should not cancel your current service until the switch is complete. Step 4. Sign up for Mint Mobile. Once you've chosen your plan, go to Mint Mobile's website and click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, select your plan, and choose whether you want to keep your existing phone number or get a new one. If you wish to keep your number, have your account information from your current provider ready. Step 5. Activate your SIM card. After completing your order, you will receive a Mint Mobile SIM card in the mail. Insert the SIM card into your phone, then go to the Mint Mobile activation page. Follow the instructions to activate your new SIM card. If you're transferring your number, it may take a little time for the process to complete, but your current network will notify you once it's done. Step 6. Test your service. Once your SIM card is activated, test your phone to ensure that calls, texts, and data services are working correctly. If you experience any issues, Mint Mobile's customer support is available to assist you. Step 7. Enjoy your savings. Now that you're successfully switched to Mint Mobile, enjoy your new, affordable plan. Monitor your usage as you adjust to the new network, and take advantage of Mint Mobile's other features to save even more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.